Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the cut page versus the edit page in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. DaVinci Resolve gives you the main pages for editing video. The two main pages are the cut page and the edit page. Both are powerful, but each is made for a different style of editing. Let's begin in the cut page. This cut page is best for quick edits, YouTube videos, short form content, and it has a key features of dual timeline, source tape mode, quick trims, and simplified tools. And use when you need to make a fast cuts and if you are working on a tight deadlines and if you want to produce a simple edits without detailed adjustment. Then here in the edit page, this is more complex projects, feature videos, commercial and client work, and it has a key features of a precise timeline control, advanced effects and transitions, edit audio in tracks and layers, more customization that's great for refining everything, and use when you want to add an effect, keyframes, and transitions. And if you are doing a detailed audio or video edits, go to the edit page. And that's how you're going to use the cut page and the edit page for detailed polishing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.